Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm so excited to be talking to you today about a topic that's near and dear to my heart, babies. More specifically, those incredible milestones they reach during their first year of life. Becoming a parent is an amazing journey, full of incredible moments and, let's be honest, some challenging ones too. But those challenges often melt away when you see your little ones smile for the first time or watch them master a new skill. It's truly remarkable how much they grow and develop in those first 12 months. So whether you're a soon-to-be parent, a new mom or dad, or just curious about baby development, this video is for you. We're going to break down those key milestones month by month, giving you a glimpse into the amazing transformations your little one will go through. Let's get started. One of the most magical moments as a new parent is witnessing your baby's first genuine smile. It's not just gas, guys, it's a real smile. And it usually happens around 6 to 8 weeks. Think about it. Your little one has been in this world for a few weeks now, taking it all in, and suddenly they see you, their favorite person, and bam! That gummy grin spreads across their face and it melts your heart instantly. This is a major social milestone, folks. It shows that your baby is starting to engage with the world around them, recognizing you and responding to your love and attention. And let's be real, those early smiles are like pure magic. They have the power to turn a tough day into the best day ever. So cherish these moments, capture them if you can, because they truly are fleeting. Pretty soon, those smiles will be accompanied by coos and gurgles, and you'll be well on your way to a whole new level of communication with your little one. Get ready for some serious action. Because around 4 to 6 months, your little one might just surprise you with their newfound ability to roll over. It starts with a lot of wiggling and kicking, strengthening those core muscles. Then one day they'll push themselves from their tummy to their back, and you'll be amazed by their strength and coordination. This is a big step in their physical development, folks. Rolling over isn't just about getting from point A to point B, it's about exploring their world from a whole new perspective. And trust me, once they get the hang of it, they'll be rolling all over the place. So it's important to be extra vigilant and make sure their environment is safe. Keep those floors clean, remove any potential hazards within rolling distance, and always supervise your little explorer. Because let me tell you, they are fast and determined. Around 3 to 4 months old, your baby's grasp will transform from a reflex to a purposeful action. They'll start reaching for toys, grabbing onto your fingers, and exploring the world with their hands. This is a major milestone in their fine motor development, and it's all about hand-eye coordination. Think about it. Their brains are working hard to process what they see, coordinate those movements, and successfully grab onto something. It's pretty amazing to watch, and it's a great time to introduce toys that encourage this development. Think rattles, soft blocks, and anything with interesting textures. But a word of caution: babies this age love to put things in their mouths. It's their way of exploring the world, but it's our job to make sure everything they grab is safe and non-toxic. So keep those small objects out of reach, wash toys regularly, and always supervise playtime. Because a happy, healthy baby is a playful baby. Chapter 4. The Symphony of Babbling begins. Get ready for some serious cuteness overload, because around 4 to 6 months old, your little one will discover the joy of babbling. And let me tell you, it's music to a parent's ears. Those adorable babas and gugus might not sound like much at first, but they're actually a huge step in language development. Your baby is experimenting with sounds, testing out their vocal cords, and learning how to communicate. Encourage this early communication by talking to your baby constantly, even if it feels like you're just narrating your day. Sing songs, read books, and respond to their babbles as if they're having a full-blown conversation. You're not just building their vocabulary, you're strengthening that precious bond and showing them that their voice matters. And trust me, those early conversations are something you'll cherish forever. Chapter 5. Finding their seat, the sitting up stage. Around 6 to 8 months old, your little one will be mastering the art of sitting up, and with it comes a whole new perspective on the world. Imagine, for the first time, They can sit up on their own, back straight, hands free to explore. It's a huge boost to their independence and a testament to their growing core strength. At first, they might need a little help to get into a seated position, and they might wobble a bit as they find their balance. But with practice, they'll be sitting like pros, ready to take on the world from their new vantage point. This is a great time to introduce toys that encourage reaching, grasping, and interacting, like stacking cups, soft blocks, and interactive playmats. Just remember, safety first. Make sure the area around them is free from hazards, and never leave them unattended on a surface they could potentially roll off of. Chapter 6. On the Move. The crawling adventures begin. Hold on to your hats, folks, because between 7 to 10 months old, your little one might just be ready to take off crawling. And let me tell you, once they're on the move, there's no stopping them. Crawling is a major milestone in gross motor development, strengthening those arm, leg, and core muscles. It also marks a whole new level of independence as they explore their world with boundless energy and curiosity. You'll see different crawling styles. Some babies army crawl, some scoot on their bottoms, and others perfect the classic crawl. But no matter their technique, it's a joy to watch them navigate their surroundings. Now, with increased mobility comes increased responsibility. It's time to baby-proof your home, securing furniture, covering outlets, and making sure anything potentially hazardous is out of reach. Get ready for some serious upward mobility because around 8 to 10 months old, your little one might start pulling themselves up to a standing position using furniture or other supports. It's a thrilling moment to witness as they test their limits, build those leg muscles, and gain a whole new perspective on their world. At first, they might be a little wobbly, needing to hold on tight for balance. But with practice, they'll gain confidence and stability, standing for longer periods, and even starting to cruise along furniture. This is a great time to encourage their newfound skills by providing safe and sturdy objects for them to pull up on. Think low tables, sturdy chairs, or even activity centers designed for this stage. Just remember, supervision is key. Always be within arm's reach to provide support and prevent any tumbles. One of the most anticipated milestones in a baby's first year is hearing those precious first words, and it usually happens around 10 to 12 months old. It starts with babbling, then progresses to mimicking sounds, and eventually forming recognizable words like mama, dada, or ball. These first words are more than just sounds. They're a powerful symbol of your baby's cognitive development and their growing ability to communicate. Encourage language development by talking to your baby constantly, reading books together, and singing songs. Respond to their attempts at communication with enthusiasm and praise, letting them know how proud you are of their progress. Remember, every child develops at their own pace, so don't be discouraged if your little one isn't chatting up a storm just yet. Those first words will come, and when they do, they'll be filled with meaning and melt your heart. Get ready for a round of applause because around 9 to 12 months old, your little one might just master the art of clapping their hands. And let me tell you, it's the cutest thing you've ever seen. This seemingly simple action is actually a complex milestone, requiring coordination, timing, and motor skills. It shows that their brains are developing rapidly, connecting those neural pathways, and making sense of the world around them. Encourage this new skill by clapping along with them, singing songs that involve clapping, and showing your enthusiasm for their accomplishments. Every clap is a victory, a sign of their growing abilities and their zest for learning. And who knows, maybe those tiny claps will soon turn into a full-blown dance party, because when babies feel happy and supported, they blossom in the most amazing ways. Around 9 to 12 months old, your little one will start to understand the concept of object permanence, that things and people still exist even when they're out of sight. And with that understanding comes a bittersweet milestone waving goodbye. It might start as a simple hand gesture, mimicking your own waves, but it quickly becomes a powerful form of communication, a way for them to express their understanding of separation and their emerging sense of self. While it might tug at your heartstrings to see them wave goodbye, It's actually a positive sign of their emotional and social development. It shows that they're forming secure attachments, learning to cope with brief separations, and developing a sense of independence. So encourage those goodbyes, even if they come with a few tears. It's all part of the beautiful journey of growing up. Hold on tight, because around 9 to 12 months old, your little explorer might just start taking those first tentative steps while holding onto furniture or your hand for support. This stage, often called cruising, is a thrilling preview of what's to come. Independent walking. It's a testament to their growing strength, balance, and coordination as they navigate their world on 2 feet. You'll see them carefully placing one foot in front of the other, using furniture or your hand for balance and support. Encourage their efforts by providing a safe and encouraging environment for them to practice. Clear away any obstacles, create a clear path for them to cruise along, and offer plenty of praise and encouragement. Remember, every step, no matter how wobbly, is a victory. And now, for the grand finale, the moment you've all been waiting for, those magical first steps. Around 12 months old, your little one might just take the plunge and walk completely on their own. It's a moment etched in every parent's memory, a symbol of their child's incredible journey from helpless newborn to independent toddler. Those first steps, however wobbly or brief, are a testament to their determination, resilience, and the boundless potential that lies ahead. As you witness this incredible milestone, remember to capture the moment, but more importantly, cherish it in your heart. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, and your little one is just getting started. Encourage their newfound independence by providing a safe and stimulating environment for them to explore. Celebrate their successes, offer comfort after tumbles, and most importantly, enjoy every step of this incredible journey called parenthood. Wow, can you believe how much our little ones grow and learn in just 1 year? From those first precious smiles to those wobbly first steps, it's an incredible journey filled with milestones that will melt your heart and make you proud. Remember, every baby develops at their own pace, so don't worry if your little one isn't hitting every milestone exactly on schedule. What matters most is that they're happy, healthy, and loved unconditionally. Thanks for joining me on this adventure through baby's first year. Don't forget to subscribe for more parenting tips and advice, and I'll see you in the next video.